Hi everyone, welcome to Think IAS. We are here with the video series for UPSC Prelims 2021. Today we will be talking about 6th schedule. Let's just see why it was in the news. Arunachal Pradesh Assembly unanimously passed a resolution for the entire state to be included in 6th schedule of the constitution. Now it is important for us to see what is the 6th schedule and why it is important. So the 6th schedule of constitution has got special provision with respect to administration of tribal areas in four northeastern states. These are Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, Mizoram. The declared tribal areas of these four states have been formed as autonomous districts. We can call them as AD. This 6th schedule was originally intended for the predominantly tribal areas of undivided Assam, which had 90% population as tribal population, and these areas were characterized as excluded areas under Government of India Act 1935. The special provision is provided under Article 244 and Article 275 of the Constitution. We will be looking at them also. We have to keep this fact inside our mind that the Act of Parliament or state legislature do not apply on autonomous districts or autonomous region, and if they need to apply on them, they have to be applied with some specific modification and exceptions. Now let's see what are the important articles of 244 and 275. Article 244 provides special system of administration for certain areas which we designate as scheduled areas under 5th schedule and tribal areas under 6th schedule. And Article 275 make provision for statutory grants to be charged on Consolidated Fund of India. These grants include specific grant for promoting welfare of scheduled tribe or raising the level of administration in these areas. Now we can see the area in the map. All these areas are from Meghalaya. We have Khasi Hill Autonomous District Council, Jaintia Hill, and Garo Hill. From Mizoram, we have Chakma, Lai, and Mara. From Tirupura, we have Tirupura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council. And from Assam, we have Dima, Karbi, and Bodoland Territorial Council. All these area comes under 6th schedule. Now we need to see the power of governor. In 6th schedule, power of governor is very important as governor organizes and changes the autonomous district boundary. He can even divide autonomous district into several autonomous regions if there exist different tribes in substantial number in one autonomous district itself. Each autonomous district is governed by autonomous district council having 30 members, out of which 26 are elected by people for 5 years and 4 are nominated by the governor. They hold the office till the pleasure of governor. Governor can even dissolve autonomous district council on recommendation of the commission formed by him to examine the administration of these district councils. Now let's just see what are the powers of these councils. So these autonomous district councils and autonomous regional councils, they administer the area under them and can even make laws on specific topics like land, forest, marriage, divorce, and many other. But these laws need to be get assent from the governor. These councils can even constitute village councils or courts to settle dispute between tribes. The jurisdiction of High Court over these cases and village council is specified by the governor. Now we have to see the difference between schedule and 6th schedule. So the area which come under 5th schedule, they are known as scheduled areas, and areas under 6th schedule known as tribal areas. There are 10 states in 5th schedule. These are Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Gujarat, Himachal Pradesh, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Odisha, Rajasthan, and Telangana. Whereas in 6th schedule, we have only 4 states: Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, and Mizoram. The Tribal Advisory Committee do not have autonomy to make laws and to do administrative duties in 5th schedule, whereas in the 6th schedule, Autonomous District Council, they have much autonomy and they carry out the local governance, local level governance. Similarly, in the 5th schedule, Panchayat extension to schedule area is applicable, whereas in the 6th schedule, it is not applicable. Now, after we have learned all the things about the 6th schedule, I have a question for you. So the question is, the provision in 5th and 6th schedule of the Constitution are made in order to, first option is to protect the interest of scheduled tribe. Option 2 is to determine the boundaries between states. Option 3, determine the power, authority, and responsibility of panchayat. And option 4, protect the interest of all the border states. Now you have to stop the video here. Think about the answer. Give the answer in the comment section. And now I'm showing the answer. So the answer is A, protect the interest of scheduled tribes. I hope you like the video. I hope you like the information. If you want to see more such videos, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have some important particular topic in your mind, you can comment it down and we'll try to make videos on them also. Till then, bye bye. Take care.